Hello and welcome to this video of me working remotely from Buenos Aires, Argentina, presenting my ultimate remote work desk setup. And we'll dive right in. The first item in my setup is a really solid backpack that is not only lightweight, but is also able to carry all the products I'm using to make my digital nomad setup super efficient. Before I got this backpack, I tested a few and went with the Tumi Selena because of its effortless design and size. Then I got a very lightweight and compact laptop stand which allows my eyes to be leveled with the highest part of my laptop. It even comes with a sleeve and can be packed super easily in my backpack. This is an item that I not only carry when I work remotely from an Airbnb, but also when I go to coffee shops because it's so lightweight, it's so easy to assemble and also super easy to store. The most important item in this backpack is obviously my laptop, which is a MacBook M2 Pro from this year. And to protect my laptop, I've been using this moth laptop sleeve, which also works as a mini laptop stand to go. This laptop sleeve is also super easy to carry, so I often just keep it in my backpack whenever I need it. To make this desk setup a bit more efficient, I also needed to cover my basics, which is a solid mouse. I use the mouse that I'm using at home too. However, this mouse has a USB port and my laptop only has USB-C ports. And to solve this, I'm using two adapters from uni. The first adapter covers all of my basics with extra USB-C ports and an HDMI port, while the second one gives me 4 extra USB ports because I'd rather take too many adapters with me while traveling to ensure I don't run into compatibility issues. For example, the mouse that I'm taking with me is a Bluetooth mouse, but it requires this little USB plug in order to work with my laptop. Next to the mouse, another basic that I'm taking is the keyboard that I'm also using at home. And while I could use my MacBook keyboard, I feel better and more ergonomic when I use an external one. A key priority while working and traveling is making sure my video call quality does not decline. To achieve this, I got myself this lightweight but really high quality microphone. This is the Epic Talk microphone by JLab, which is the microphone I'm using to record this video, by the way. I've been using this microphone for not just content creation but also my video calls for 2 weeks. And I got really amazed by how lightweight it is, how easy it is to assemble, and also the quality it produces. And I'd like to demonstrate how easy it is to travel with this microphone because most microphones are pretty bulky, they're very heavy. Not this one. This one I just carried in a pouch in my backpack, assembled it in maybe 10 seconds, and it was ready to go. Not just that, but it's also so aesthetically pleasing. Next to optimal sound quality, I also care about optimal lighting for video calls, which allows me to use any space as my office without sacrificing professionalism. To achieve this, I found this LED streaming light on Amazon. And when you're searching on Amazon, there's so many different lights that you can choose from. I picked this one because it's rechargeable, it doesn't have a cable, and also it's super easy to assemble. I've been using this light not just for my laptop, but also for my phone because it has a phone stand included. This light also comes with different modes, so depending on what you want, if you want more blue light or yellow light, you can adjust it. If you've watched my regular work desk setup, you will see that I have a phone stand there and I was trying to find something that I can take on the go while traveling. I did not get disappointed because I found this 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger and stand that I'm using not just to charge my phone, but also my AirPods. If you have an Apple Watch, you can also connect it to the charger, which makes it a perfect addition wherever you travel. This is super lightweight, and honestly, I think I will take this with me whenever I travel, even if I don't work remotely. Because for me, the fewer cables I need to carry, the better. Speaking of cables, I always travel with this cable organizer, which hasn't disappointed me in 2 years. And one thing I carry there is this 3-port fast charger with travel plugs. I've been living the life of taking lots of different chargers with me, taking lots of different plugs with me until I found this charger. I've been testing this charger for 2 weeks in Argentina and honestly did not need anything else. It has 3 plugs, it's perfect to charge my laptop, my phone, and something else if needed. It also charges really fast and weighs much less than a typical Apple brick. Next up, we have my favorite portable charger. I always take that with me when traveling. This can charge your phone up to 3 times, I believe. For my meetings as a speaker, I'm using my AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I never leave my house without my AirPods. Also, for content creation, I need a solid SSD storage. This is the smallest and also best storage that I found. Also, when traveling, I always carry a lightweight travel tripod that includes a remote shutter as well. I've been taking this everywhere with me for the past couple of years because it doesn't only help you to take travel selfies in case you travel solo, but it also really helps me with content creation because it holds your phone in a very easy way. Speaking of content creation, I often film content with my DJI Pocket 2. When I got this camera, I bought the creator combo, which comes with a microphone and this little stand. To be honest, I haven't used it that much in recent weeks because I realized that my iPhone has insane video quality. For example, this whole video is filmed with my iPhone. However, there are some pros to the DJI Pocket camera. For example, you can add ND filters, and I'm a photography nerd, so sometimes I love to use those. So here it is, my optimal remote work desk setup. I function perfectly with this. I've been using it for 2 weeks, did not get disappointed. I think some of my team members didn't even notice that I was gone. You can find all of those items in my Amazon storefront.